Whatever you have, you need to treasure it, value it. When you protect it, you'll be able to enjoy it. But when you take it for granted, you will not be able to love it. You need to like it, love it, and be able to protect it. What you have is not small. Thank God that you have something. And you need to think right about what you have. Because if you think right, you'll be able to take a step. And when you take a step, you'll be able to get the best result. No matter the challenges that you come across, you need to remain strong. Hi, this is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book, I Want the Best for My Child. You have a bright future. Men are crying, women are weeping. Find out. Thank you so much. Today we'll be talking about what do you do with what you have. And it's very important that you need to value. If you're given something by someone and you don't treasure it, you misuse it, I'm sure the person who gave you whatever will not be happy. But if I'm given something and I treasure it and honor the person who gave it to me and see I'm treating it well, he will even add more. God has given you great things that you need to discover, that you need to decide to use and be able to develop it. When you use them well, they will not only help you but other people. You'll be able to help many people. So what do you do with what you have? First, you need to treasure it. And you need to trust God for it and take a step. Treat what you have well and thank God and think big if you want to do something in life. You'll make it. Thank you so much. This is Syaviha, the author of the book, You Have a Bright Future. Do not give up. Please subscribe to our channel, and to get more, read our books.